rotation, the expression of energy of rotation is given by expression of energy of rotation is given by energy of rotational is equal to p square divided by 2I. This is equation number 1, where p is a angular momentum of rotating body. P is the angular momentum of the rotating body. Now, expression for angular momentum is given by, that is, P is equal to under square root j into j plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. This is equation number 2, where j is equal to rotational quantum, where j is equal to rotational quantum number and the value of j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. This is equation number 2. Now, the square of equation number 2, that is p square is equal to j into j plus 1 h square divided by 4 pi square. This is equation number 4. Now, put the value of p square in equation number 1 or put the equation number 4 in equation number 1. Now, equation number 1 is equal to E rotational is equal to value of p square is equal to j into j plus 1 into h square upon 4 pi square, and the remaining term is a 1 upon 2I in equation number 1, and multiply this, then equation is E rotational is equal to j into j plus 1 into h square upon 8 pi square I. This is the equation for energy of rotation. Now, from this equation we can calculate rotational energy levels. From this equation we can calculate the rotational energy levels. For rotational energy levels, equation 5 can be rearranged. Equation 5 can be rearranged. That is, E rotational is equal to j into j plus 1 into A. A is a constant term and A is equal to h square upon 8 pi square I. Now, for calculate the rotational energy level, we can put the different j value, that is j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 3 up to the infinity. We can put the different value and we can take the different energy levels. Now, when first case, when j is equal to 0, when value of j is equal to 0, put this value of j is equal to 0 in equation number 6. Then E rotational is equal to, in place of j there is a 0, that is 0 into 0 plus 1 into A is equal to 0. When value of j is equal to when value of J is equal to 1, then equation of energy rotation can be changes 1 into 1 plus 1 into A, that is 2A. Third case, when J is equal to 2, then energy of rotation equation changes 2 into 2 plus 1 into A, that is 6A. Case 4, when we put value of J is equal to 3, that is energy of rotation is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 into A, that is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 3, that is 12A. When we put the value of J is equal to 4, that is then rotational energy levels, that is 4 inside the bracket 4 plus 1 into A, that is 4 plus 1 5 into 4, that is 20A. And last, when value of J is equal to 5, then rotational energy levels 5 into 5 plus 1 into A, that is 30A. These are the different values of energy, rotational energy levels. From this value, we can plot the energy level graph, rotational energy level graph. That is, when value of J is equal to 0, then this value of rotational energy level line can be 0. When value of J is equal to 1, when value of J is equal to 1, there is rotational energy levels can be takes place 2A. When value of J is equal to 2, then rotational energy levels is a 6A. When value of J is equal to 3, then rotational energy levels, that is 12A. When value of J is equal to 4, when value of J is equal to 4, rotational energy levels is a 20A. And when value of J is equal to 5, that is 30A. Then from that energy level graph, we can be show three characteristics of the rotational energy level lines. That is the minimum, first point, the minimum rotational energy line is 0. Minimum rotational energy line is 0. Second point related to this chart, they are unequally spacing between the two lines. They are unequally spacing between the two lines. And third point related to the chart or related to rotational energy level diagram, that is, when value of J increases, rotational energy line also increases. Spacing between the rotational energy line also increases. These are the 3 points related to chart. We can revise the equations. That is, energy of rotation. The expression of energy of rotation is given by this energy rotation expression. E rotational is equal to P square divided by 2I. Where P means P is the angular momentum of rotating body. Now, expression for angular momentum of rotating body is given by P is equal to under square root J into J plus 1 into H upon 2 pi. Now, where in that the term j is a rotational quantum number and value of j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. Now equation 2, square of the equation number 2, that is p converted into p square, and under square root sign is removed, j into j plus 1, h can be h square, 2 into 2 square is equal to 4 and pi square. This equation can be converted. Then this value of p put in equation number 1 or put equation 4 in equation number 1. Then E rotational is equal to value j into j plus 1 into h square upon 4 pi square and remaining 1 upon 2i. That is then E rotational, combine this term, E rotational is equal to j into j plus 1 h square upon 8 pi square I. From that equation we can calculate the different rotational energy level lines. That is we can rearrange this equation number 5, that is E rotational is equal to j into j plus 1 into a, where a is equal to, a means there is a h square upon 8 pi square I. Then we can put the different values of j. We know the in equation number 3, when we put value of j is equal to 0, that is in terms of j we put the 0 value, that is when we put 0 into 0 plus 1 into a, that is all term is a 0. When j is equal to 1, that is 1 into 1 plus 1 that is a 2a. When j is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 into a, that is 6a. When j is equal to 3, E rotational, 3 into 3 plus 1 into a, that is 12a. When j is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1 into a, 4 plus 1 is a 5 into 4, that is 20a. And when j is equal to 5, that is E rotational, 5 into inside the bracket 5 plus 1 into a, 6 into 5, 30, that is 30a. From that different energy levels line, we can show the draw the diagram of different energy level line related to the rotational quantum number. When j is equal to 0, that is first line, that is 0. When j is equal to 1, and then second line, that is 2a. When j is equal to 2, that is third line, that is a 6a. When j is equal to 3, that is 12a. And when j is equal to 4, 20a. When j is equal to 5, 30a. And spacing can be increases. That is spacing 2a, 6a. Spacing also increases. 2 in that there is difference is a 2, in that there difference is a 2a to 6a. 4 in that difference is a 6, and in that difference is a 8, and in that difference is a 10. That is difference also increases. From that diagram or from that different rotational energy level line, we can show the 3 points. Point number first, the minimum rotational energy level line. Minimum line, that is 0. First line or minimum line in rotational energy level 0. They are unequally spacing between two lines. Unequally spacing means in that 2 line their spacing is a 2a, but in that 4 line their spacing is a 4. That is unequally spaced between the 2 lines. And last point, when value of j increases, rotational energy level line also increases. When value of j increases, rotational energy level line also increases. Means j value increase, rotational energy level lines also increases. Thank you.